Brian DiMambro. We're looking here now at a wonderful advertising map of the late 19th century. It's a plan of Brussels, Belgium. It was published in Brussels by Ferdinand Fink, and it's color lithographed with a variety of buildings shown in almost cartoon prospect style. What distinguishes this map is the advertising that's seen all around it, as well as actually on the reverse of the map. Every panel has its own advertising text, and the map has curiously been mounted upside down in the original hard card folder, which is of no significance other than it's a curiosity. There are some short fold line splits which could be readily mended. There is an extensive alphabetical table running down the left side, locating hundreds of streets on the map. It was issued 1874 and 75. As you can see, it still folds quite well. The paper is sound and clean, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.